Life is full of little annoyances. Window blinds that jam, tangled cords, bad lighting, and unexpected spills. These small frustrations add up, making your day harder than it should be. But what if there were simple solutions to make life smoother? Let's start with those dreadful window blinds. The cords are always a nightmare. They get knotted, they get stuck, and they look messy. Enter the SwitchBot Smart Electric Roller Shade Effortless Control. This isn't just a blind, it's a smart upgrade for your window. Imagine waking up to the blinds slowly and silently opening on their own. You can set a schedule using an app on your phone. You can even control them with your voice. Just say, "Hey Google, open the living room blinds." It's that simple. There are no more cords to fight with, just a sleek, modern look and perfect shade every time. Now let's talk about personal lighting. Finding good light for reading, hobbies, or repairs can be a real challenge. You need the light to be focused, but you also need your hands to be free. The X-Way Adjustable Lighting Hands-Free Brilliance is the answer. This is a wearable lamp that rests comfortably around your neck. It has flexible arms, so you can point the light exactly where you need it. It's perfect for reading in bed without disturbing your partner. It's great for camping, walking the dog at night, or working on a small project. The different brightness levels and light temperatures mean you always have the perfect illumination for any task. The beauty of the SwitchBot Roller Shade lies in its seamless integration. It works with major smart home systems like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. This means it becomes part of your home's ecosystem. You can create routines like having the blinds close automatically when you start a movie. The installation is surprisingly straightforward, and the premium fabric choices make it a stylish addition to any room. The Difold Origami Cup, portable, reusable, solves this dilemma beautifully. It starts as a flat, credit card-sized disc that fits easily in your pocket or wallet. With a simple twist and pull, it transforms into a sturdy, full-size drinking cup. It's made from durable, food-grade materials, so it's built to last. Now you can stay hydrated anywhere without the bulk or the waste. The ability to schedule them to open with the sunrise can help regulate your sleep cycle, gently waking you with natural light. It's a small investment that dramatically changes your daily routine. Beyond the convenience, this device adds a layer of security and energy efficiency. When you're on vacation, you can schedule the curtains to open and close at random times, making it look like someone is home. In the winter, you can schedule them to close at dusk to help insulate your windows, save on heating costs. In the summer, you can do the opposite. Close them during the hottest part of the day to keep your home cool. It's a simple robot that does so much more than just move fabric. Similarly, the X-Way neck lamp stands out because of its sheer practicality. It's not just for reading. Think about those moments you need a flashlight but also need both hands. Maybe you're looking for something in a dark closet, fixing a leaky pipe under the sink, or setting up a tent after sunset. This gadget is a game changer in those situations. It's rechargeable, lightweight, and durable, making it an essential tool for emergencies and outdoor adventures alike. It's a simple idea executed perfectly, providing a personal, portable spotlight whenever and wherever you need it most, freeing your hands to do the actual work. The genius of the Difold Cup is its origami-inspired engineering. It's not just a collapsible cup, it's a truly foldable one. When collapsed, it's only 0.6 inches thick, making it incredibly portable. The DeFi Smart Pill bottle, meanwhile, excels in its simplicity and effectiveness. It doesn't require a complicated app or Bluetooth pairing. All the intelligence is built right into the bottle itself. This makes it perfect for everyone, including those who aren't tech-savvy. The clear display on the cap provides the crucial information you need at a glance. Last taken, today, at 8:05 a.m. This simple feature eliminates the mental load of trying to remember. It empowers users, especially the elderly or those with complex medication schedules, to manage their health independently and with confidence. It's a small device that provides enormous reassurance. These 5 gadgets are more than just novelties. They are thoughtfully designed tools that sand down the rough edges of daily life. They represent a new wave of technology that is accessible and practical. Don't just put up with daily annoyances. Erase them. I encourage you to pick one that resonates with a frustration in your own life and give it a try. Check out the links in the description to grab these gadgets today.